Hello everyone, in front of me is INFINIX Zero Fairy, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First of all, open your phone dialer, and let's start with the first code, the shortest one. It is *pound 06 pound. And here we've got email information, so at the top of this playlist you will notice email, and at the bottom serial number assigned to your device. Click on OK to exit. Another code that you can use is *pound 225 pound*. And here you've got calendar info, so all events connected with any calendar that you logged in with to this device would be displayed here. You don't have to scroll through all of them, just enter this code and you will be up to date with every upcoming event. So let's go back. And the last code that I want to show you is *pound 426 pound*. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status. And if you want to explore it a bit more, tap on more and select advanced. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.